The Basic Services sector of the National Emergency Management Committee has completed its preparations to limit the effects of the weather conditions expected to affect the governance of the Sultanate of Oman during the next 3 days. Abdulla Adel Fakhro, Minister of Industry and Commerce of the Kingdom of Bahrain, received yesterday a delegation of Omani business people currently visiting Bahrain. The delegation is headed by Ridha, Juma, Saleh, member of Oman Chamber of Commerce and Industry Board of Directors.